Page 53. VHF Technical. The very high-frequency communication band used in aviation, more commonly referred to as VHF, is dependent on line of sight in order to achieve the best audio possible, with the least interference. The transmission of a VHF band is therefore affected by a number of factors which could affect the overall radio strength and clarity, such as the transmission power both at the aircraft and ground station, the height of the transmitter antenna, the height of the receiver antenna, an obstacle at or near the transmission site which will block the signals or scatter them with inevitable attenuation, any upstanding obstruction in the line of sight between the aircraft and the ground station, which will also affect the frequency attenuation. A pilot on the ground must ensure that the aircraft's radio is switched on and set correctly prior to attempting to establish contact with ATC. In order to determine the actual clarity and attenuation of their radio, all pilots are encouraged to do a radio check with ATC as well, so that they can adjust their volume control and squelch settings as appropriate.